You haven't changed what you eat, but suddenly your stomach has. Bloating after meals that never used to bother you, digestion that feels sluggish and unpredictable. If your gut seems to have turned on you somewhere after 40, it hasn't. It's just changed. And once you understand why, you can actually do something about it. Inside your digestive system lives a community of trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, viruses, collectively called your gut microbiome. Think of it as an ecosystem. A healthy one is diverse, lots of different species, all doing different jobs, breaking down food, producing vitamins, regulating your immune system, even communicating with your brain. After 40, that ecosystem starts to shift. Diversity drops, certain beneficial species decline, and when the balance tips, you feel it in your digestion, your energy, your mood, and your immune response. This isn't inevitable, but it is very common. Here's what's driving it, and what you can do about it. The single biggest driver of declining gut diversity is diet. Your gut bacteria feed on fiber, specifically a type called prebiotic fiber, found in foods like onions, garlic, leeks, oats, and bananas. When you eat a wide variety of plant foods, you feed a wide variety of bacteria. When your diet narrows, more processed food, less variety, the microbiome narrows with it. Research consistently shows that people who eat 30 or more different plant foods per week have significantly more diverse gut microbiomes than those eating 10 or fewer. That number sounds high. It isn't. Herbs, spices, and nuts all count. Most people reach for a probiotic supplement when their gut plays up. And probiotics, live beneficial bacteria, do have their place. But here's what most people miss. Probiotics are visitors. Prebiotics are what feed the residents already living there. Prebiotic fiber is the raw material your existing gut bacteria use to thrive. Without enough of it, even a good probiotic has nowhere to land. So before you spend money on supplements, focus on prebiotic foods first. Garlic, onions, asparagus, oats, apples, and legumes like lentils and chickpeas. These are the foods that genuinely shift the environment. Here's what makes gut health worth taking seriously beyond digestion. Your gut produces around 70% of your immune cells. It manufactures neurotransmitters, chemical messengers, including most of your body's serotonin, which influences mood and sleep. And it plays a direct role in how efficiently you extract energy from food. When gut diversity drops, all three of these systems feel the knock-on effect. More frequent illness, low mood, persistent fatigue that has no obvious cause. Fixing your gut isn't just about fixing your digestion, it's about fixing the foundation everything else runs on. So here's what to take away. Your gut microbiome changes after 40, but diet is the most powerful lever you have to influence it. 3 things to start this week. First, count your plant variety. Aim for at least 20 different plant foods and build toward 30. Second, add 1 prebiotic food daily, an apple, a handful of oats, some lentils with dinner. Third, add 1 small serving of fermented food, a spoonful of live yogurt, a little sauerkraut alongside a meal. You don't need a dramatic overhaul. You need consistent small inputs that shift the environment in the right direction. Your gut will do the rest. If this was useful, there's a lot more where it came from. Every video on this channel is built around the same idea, taking the science that exists and making it genuinely useful for you. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll see you in the next one.